Hello, everybody. This is Diane from Material Girl 338. I made pickles yesterday, and I did not feel like putting them in the canner. So I watched some videos, and they said that you can fresh pack them. So I had 2 packages of these beautiful little baby cucumbers, and I decided to copy the recipe from my ball canning book. This is it, the blue one, the blue book. And in here they have a great recipe for the cucumber and mixed vegetable pickles. I didn't follow it completely because the last time I made the cucumber pickles, it was called for too much sugar, so I put less sugar in it. And then what happened was they didn't taste so good because I didn't put enough sugar. But this time I kind of like narrowed it down because I didn't have 4 pounds. This is not 4 pounds of pickles. There's no way that's 4 pounds of pickles. But the mixing ingredients, like the turmeric, the celery, the ginger, the peppercorns, the rice, the vinegar. What I did differently was I put it in a saucepan and I cooked the ingredients. Along with that, I added the pickling spices by Ball. And I put it in a saucepan, heated it up, and then cooled it a little bit. And then I rinsed my pickles because you're supposed to pickle them, have them in the pickling salt. Rinse them really, really good. And then really, really good. And then I put the pickles and the peppers, pickle peppers. And then carrots, onions. And I put this in the pot with the liquid in it, which wasn't so hot. And then I brought it to a beginning of a boil. I used my tethered lids because I didn't want to waste my metal lids. So, and then I let them stay out because it was like 12 o'clock at night that I finally got done with this. So I kept them on the counter. And then this morning, I'm going to put them in the refrigerator. But I got the tethered lids on. I love these lids. They're reusable and they're great. They really work good in the canner. Sometimes you get a failure. Like if I do a canner, if I'm doing whatever, I have like 8 jars in the canner, 1 won't hold. And I leave my jars in the canner. I do not take them out. I do not disturb them. I don't move them. I let them stay in the canner. When the water gets really cool, like a couple of hours later, then I open it up and then I test my seal to make sure that the seal is down. These are down, but they weren't canned. They weren't put in the canner. So, my husband bought Vlasic pickles, and you could taste the difference right away. They use such high fructose and corn syrup, and all you need is sugar. So this recipe came out really good, and I haven't tried it yet. So when I do try it, I'll let you know. But anyway, I think this is a great idea because these can stay in the refrigerator 2 months, 3 months. Always smell your stuff. Always test it too. But they're pickles and they're in vinegar. So they've already been, what could I say? Disinfected. But anyway, they are in vinegar. So that has already kind of purified them. Anyway, thank you guys. Bye.